Today you are going to read on your own our anchor text, Sarah, Plain and Tall. As you read or when you're finished reading, we're going to use the Reader's Guide pages in your Reader's Notebook, 95 and 96. You should respond to the prompts and questions and support your responses with ideas or even sentences from our story, Sarah, Plain and Tall. So let's take a look at this page. This is Caleb's diary, and we are going to make entries into the diary. So we're going to help Caleb complete diary entries with details from the story. So as you read, you can do this, or you can go back and then reread these sections that it's asking you to read to find and answer the question. So you're going to answer from pages 209 to 211 how Caleb felt before Sarah arrived. And then using pages 213 to 215, what was it like when Caleb met Sarah? Again, look, there's only 2 sentences, only room for a few on this first page, so just make sure you make the most of your entry and support it with details from the story. On page 216, how did Sarah feel about living with the family, and what did this make Caleb think? On pages 217, 218, how did Caleb feel when he and Anna picked flowers with Sarah? Pages 219 and 220, how did Caleb feel later that evening? And page 221, what happened at the end of the evening? Complete all of these entries for Caleb in his diary. Again, you can do it while you reread the story, or you can do it after you have finished rereading the anchor text. Remember, your story can be found, let me see, it goes through page 221, it starts on page 208. So 208 to 221 is where you'll find the story.